The Unsharp Mask tool is really good at helping you regain details that you might have lost in an Unsharp video. The Unsharp Mask is super common to find in Adobe products, however Final Cut Pro doesn't have an Unsharp Mask. Or does it? Today, I am scratching my head wondering why Apple didn't take 5 minutes to implement this tool directly into Final Cut Pro. Let's go ahead and dive right into Apple Motion. The first things first, go ahead and open up Apple Motion. If you don't get the project browser, you can push Command, Option, and N. From there, select the Final Cut effect, and you can leave these settings at whatever they're at. Go ahead, select your effect source, go on up to Filters, go down to Sharpen, and select Unsharp Mask. Now things are going to get a little bit tricky, so just stick with me. First, we're going to jump into the inspector. You're going to find the radius slider here. You're going to click on this down arrow and push Publish. Then from there, you're going to go down to the amount slider and push Publish. After that, this is where it really gets hard, so just follow with me. You're going to push the down arrow and push Publish on the threshold, the horizontal, the vertical. You can even do it on the 360 aware if you want to. And finally, the mix slider. Once we've done those really difficult steps, we're going to push Command S. That will enable us to publish to Final Cut Pro. We can just call it Unsharp Mask. And then if you want it to be organized in with Final Cut Pro's other sharpening features, I recommend you set the category to blur. If you don't have the blur category, you'll need to make it down here below. And then from there, go ahead and push Publish. Because of the new object tracker in Final Cut Pro, it is ridiculously easy to use this new tool. So go ahead, jump on into Final Cut Pro. Once you've published your tool, go to Blur and find the Unsharp Mask and drag that in. Now we can go up here to the top, click Add a Shape Mask, and create this lovely shape mask over my face, which is where I would likely want the sharpening to happen. In fact, we could even make it just over my eyes, which is usually where I would use sharpening, especially if my focus was a little bit soft. So now we're gonna go up to our tracker and push Analyze. This is going to quickly track the video for us, and now we can just push Done. And our tracker has been applied just to the eyes. I can zoom in here. We'll see how much of a difference it makes, so you can see the clarity in my eyes before and after. And then we could also drag up the radius if we want to go really crazy with it. I would probably take more time, add 2 shape masks for each eye or something like that with the object tracker, but you get the general idea. So that wraps up the tutorial. If you want to learn more about shape masks, I super recommend you check out this video. And with that being said, I can't wait to see you in the next one.